issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Shelby, eastern Miami, northwestern Clark, western Champaign, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:37 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Havenview, moving north at 15 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include St. Paris. In addition, State Route 41 and State Route 235, Northampton, Castown, Farrington, Dialton, Christiansburg, Thackeray and Fletcher are near the path of this severe thunderstorm. This includes the following Interstate 75 between mile markers 68 and 81. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
Now for the